What is up, YouTube? We're back, and today we got a lot going on. We need to freshen up my Hyundai, and I got a bunch of parts to go on it. Alright, so for box number one, what we got here is the actual quick release portion of the hub. Oh, cool. Got a little sticker right on. Pamphlets, cool. But yep, there's your stereotypical ding. Everybody loves that noise. Some hardware in the bottom of there. But yeah, I mean, pretty straightforward right here. Right on. This is gonna be cool. A little extra added security, which is why I'm doing it, in case you're wondering, because car thefts are crazy nowadays. Everybody's getting their car jacked, and I'm not trying to get my car jacked. That's box number one. Box number two. What we got here is the short hub adapter. Now these are for a Hyundai. So those splines are specific to my Hyundai Accent, which actually is the same spline pattern as a Miata, so just in case you want to get one. MX-5 Miata, I'm pretty sure. Yep, more pamphlets and a sticker. But yeah. So that's pretty straightforward. That's going to be nice, little added security to the car. And then right here what we got from Rizok Auto, because you know if you're balling on a budget for car parts, you got to go to the Rock Auto. But alright, let's open this up. Alright, in the Rock Auto box, what I always order is a magnet, and then for some reason when I get a magnet it just happens to come with some parts, which is cool. It's kind of a bonus. So in here I got tie rod ends because mine got blown out by a Les Schwab when I got an alignment. So if you're getting an alignment, probably don't use Les Schwab because they're just gonna fucking blow out your tie rod ends. So yeah, thanks Les Schwab. But there you go. There's a box underneath a box. Imagine that. What could be in this one, you're asking? Something bigger than tie rod end links, that's for sure. Let's see what we got in here. Jeez. Frick it. Seriously? That tape don't want to break right there? Alright. Ahaha, it's an empty box with plastic. I knew it. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of bubbles. Yeah, some magnet. Always what I'm ordering. Okay. What we got here? Control arms. Now, I could have just bought bushings for the driver's side control arm and placed those in, but instead of that I just got a brand new one because a little cheaper, and I'll keep my old one for an extra backup in case I ever want to rebuild it. But for the passenger side I require a new one because I may or may not have slid into a certain object at one point and bent an arm. Yeah, I slid into a curb. Just, you know, it happens. So I bent a control arm, which sucked, but I've been riding with it for a while. So it's time to replace that and make the quality of my drive much better. And last but not least, the star of today's episode, DGR high performance suspension. Shout out KTM tuners. Literally like the only place you can buy custom made coilovers for your Hyundai, it seems. So big shout out, but no sponsor, nothing like that. But I did use a little coupon code, saved me about $100, so that was cool. Because these things are running about $1,000, so they're pretty spendy. But I got max beating rods, and we don't need to get into that right now. But let's just say I'm very excited for these. So I'm going to get this opened up, and we'll do some show and tell and see what the heck's in this box. Oh my gosh. Shit, it's tough. find out what a G-bar in coilovers looks like. Alright. Check it out. Got a little warranty card, and a lanyard, because I don't have enough of those already, but heck yeah, man. Pretty cool, throwing a little extra bonus in there for me. So far, we got, what are you saying that for? Is it fun?
Yeah.
We got my driver or passenger, whichever side coilover, and then we got the rear coils. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty, first off, the packaging was really nice, very well protected and secure, and everything is nice. Like, really, you could just feel the quality compared to a Max speeding rods. And I'm not trying to hate on Max speeding rods, but you know, quality over quantity, isn't that what they say, Levi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buy it once, so you don't have to buy it again.
Yeah, buy it once so you don't have to buy it again, right? Yeah. Save a penny, spend a dime. But oh, what is that? Oh, here's the rear shocks. We haven't opened these up yet. Go ahead.
Oh, shoot.
So we still gotta unpackage these things, but yeah, I'm really excited for this. This is gonna be cool. It's got a little damper adjustment. That's it. Yeah, it's got the damper adjustment on there. Heck yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I know. Well, alright. Got the lugs broken loose. Got my handy dandy stool. Let's get this. Gotta love the Pacific Northwest, huh, man? It's starting to rain, in case you people don't know what I'm talking about. Oh. Alright. And there is my super high quality coilover, man. Yeah, it's totally rad. Not. Here you go. Let's, oh, man. Where to start? I guess let's just remove the coilover first, right? Or should we do the control arm first, maybe? Maybe we should do the control arm first.
Oh, because both of them are coming off.
So that way something's still holding this up. Yeah, we should probably do that first. Alright, step one, we're gonna do the control arm. Alright. Well, we'll just get it done and then we'll show you. Just some bolts. You gotta just take some bolts off. I mean, it's, you know. That's your cue to push the non-record button. Wait, that's what I was, like, this doesn't feel quite right. Cut. Take two. Oh, damn. Still tight as a motherfucker, though.
Yeah.
Whew.
It's coming, huh?
Oh, there you go.
I see it coming.
Ouch. Now the question is, how the fuck can we get that one out? Alright. My best friend here. Little Sledgy. Yer. We got her out. Almost. Wiggle. Oh, why is that one being so stubborn?
Use the bushings in there.
Yeah. Well, yeah. We're not reusing these bushings. Oh. Woo. Yeah. Takes a little bit of force. All right. Whew, got the old one out. Whew. My ball joint still good, or oh, that's pretty blown out.
Do you have new ones?
Actually, I don't. But I feel like if I just refill it with some grease.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, there's no like holes in it.
Dang. How would you refill it? Remove it and then fill it?
They make these little things that got like a little needle and you just puncture it.
No way.
Fill grease in it.
It's probably water.
Well, I hope so.
Nice, got it. And now the fucking thing's gonna come out, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Yeah, these are actually some of the easiest to install types.
Yeah, and it's totally busted? Oh, it looks like it's
there's no holes, but they're grease.
Yeah, it's just metal on metal.
Came out of somewhere. Let's get a rag and clean this up and then
yeah, change the carbs and
get the
Some beer.
Yeah, definitely change the gloves.
Mine are fine, so.
Grab the GoPro. Oh, the GoPro's still recording.
Oh,
Okay, on further examination, after cleaning it up, we do not have any tears in the boot. It's just collapsed because of the lack of grease. So, gonna see if they got brand new ones to simplify today and make it go a little faster and keep these for backups and refill them later on. But if not, I'm just gonna get a grease filler and refill them and slap them back on. So, where are we going out, Levi?
AutoZone.
No, we're going to Zone Auto.
No.
Yeah, we're going to Zone Auto. All right, we are back. We are back from the Zone of Auto, and we just ended up getting some replacements because we're trying to get this done in a timely fashion. But my other pieces are like the forged high quality units, so I got a grease gun and all that, and I am gonna refill them later. Just keep them for backups. But all right, back to it. Okay, a couple of ugga-tuggas and some bolts later, and it's in, ready to rock. Now I gotta go grab my control arm. Alright, so I had a little bit of a predicament. When I slid into that curb, I didn't just bend my control arm. I bent the fucking mounting point right here. If you can see that, get this camera out of your way. Bent this mounting point right up there. So I had to do a little bit of something called persuasion. And, well, everything's lined up now. So everything is adding on more time. So I'm gonna get back to it because there could be a storm any fucking minute. We live in Washington. Alright. Here's the old max speeding rods. Already rusty and gross, and I hate these. I hate these. I'm sorry, max speeding rods. Maybe they work for some chassis, but I am a hater, so deal with it. First off, you can't even buy these for my specific make and model. So these are actually for a Kia Optima. So maybe that didn't help, but I made it work. All I had to do is replace the top hat with the stock top hat, but these things are fucking junk, okay? They're just gonna disappear. Alright? And now, I'm about to go bring out the freshie. Watch this.
Well, let me get it ready, hold on. But you gotta clip it too, do the snap.
Okay, well quit talking. There, that's it. Did you get the whole thing? Or should I be back?
Yeah.
I think it was like this.
Yeah.
Alright, here it is. Got a new coilover. Now I just need to have Levi help me set the camera down. We gotta slap this. Suck it in. So yeah, max speeding rods, maybe one day you can be like DGR, but probably not anytime soon, so. But yeah, I'm excited for this. Let's go, Levi. Come on, put the camera down. We got work to do. Got it on there. Lowered it quite a bit, so gonna test fit this wheel. Obviously, we'll see if it needs to be adjusted once it's actually on the ground. But for now, I'm just gonna slap the wheel on and see how it looks. Anyways, this is so unacceptable, and I've hated this since I've had the max speeding rods. They just didn't lower enough in the back. See that? That is not acceptable. So, hopefully, with these new ones, we will be like that. You know, be functional, but be stylish. So I gotta take these all out, and yeah, we'll see the comparison in a minute. All right, check out this new rear fitment. That is so much better. There's I mean, it's pretty good. Can still slip a shoe in there, maybe. Oh, barely. But now look at this side. Look at this side. This is the. What are we doing? Riding a monster truck over here? You put a fucking fist in there almost. Definitely fit a shoe. So, definitely Levi's car has got whack in it. But yeah, we're gonna get this side done, knock it out, and then got a couple other things to do, like steering wheel mod maybe, and then, or maybe we'll take it for a test ride and then do a steering wheel mod. All right, so phase 2 of the Hyundai, now that we got the suspension on, is gonna be the quick release. NRG setup, got the short hub, that's what's in this box. And so what we gotta do is I gotta take my old wheel and hub off. Well, not old, I'm still running this wheel. But my hub, gotta take that off, and we're gonna swap it out. So I got my handy dandy Allen set right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling some bolts out. Now that the hardware is all off and my wheel is now bare and not on there, I can get to the main bolt, take the hub off, and swap the new hub on. And this we go. Just like that. Need this little lock washer, don't lose that. That keeps it from spinning off. But yeah, check it out. Fucking, that's right. Anti-theft right here. And you get that nice little ding, makes your day. So yeah, I mean, it's on there nice and sturdy, ain't going anywhere. And honestly, it's pretty much maybe just like sticks out like a ½ inch more than my old adapter, but it's pretty tight, pretty fit. I like it. What do you think, Levi?
I'd say it's a win.
Yeah?
Yeah. Gold bar.
Just got some gas, so now we're gonna give these coilovers the review that I forgot to do. So this is gonna be the final wrap of the video, and also I guess technically this could be a steering wheel quick release review too. So
Pop it off real quick.
yeah, pop it up. No, I'm not gonna do it while we're driving, but right now I'm scraping a little bit. That a little bit. But overall, what do you think, Levi, compared to my old coilovers? Because you would know.
No, they're much better. No clinking or nothing.
Yeah, smoother ride overall.
Cleared up all the noise.
Yeah, so I think, can't remember here. So I think that'll be a wrap. We're going to go to Walmart and exchange a few batteries. And yeah, I don't know, that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned, we got lots to come. Till next time. But no, we gotta call it a night.
Yeah,
Sun's going down,
setting.
so alignment will probably just be a different video.
Yeah, I think so.
Probably just be a different video. Where'd you go like that? Alright, guys. So have a good night. That's it for Jackie for now.
Sleep tight.
But we got. Alright, guys. That's it for this episode. Have a good night. Levi, anything else to add?
Have a good night, and we'll see you next time.